Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to make Instagram account private. So to do that, head over to your Instagram application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account of which you want to make it private. And then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And after that, just head over to the three lines icon on the upper right corner. And from here, scroll down until you find the account privacy option under who can see your content section. So as you can see, I have turned it off, my private account, to so that my account is private. If your account is not private yet, it is a public account, then it will be turned off. You just have to turn it on. So yeah, this is how you can do it from here. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we will see you in the next video.